faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are out and about the eve of Christmas Eve, and your girl is just going to do her shopping. I'm just going to do my shopping today. I didn't think about that Tyler would be on vacation, so I should do my shopping. It would be easier to do my shopping without him from last week, but I didn't do my shopping from last week, so I'm just going to do my shopping today. So I am heading on the road right now. I'm going to do shopping for Babe, not for the kids. We already bought all the kids gifts online, so we don't have to worry about the kiddos. But for Babe, I need to do Babe shopping today, so I'm gonna do this, and I have my babies with me. Say morning to the face.
Morning, Faith.
He's looking for the bus.
Yes, today is Monday, and tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. So
which is tomorrow is gonna be Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas.
yes, and today there was 1 day after before Christmas.
He's so excited for Christmas, you guys have no idea. I threw on my wig this morning and a hat because it's a bit chilly. It's not that bad, but hey, I'm here with the kids. Sarah is here. Hi girl. Hi girl. Hi Fatty Boom. Hi big girl. Hi Fatty Boom Boom. Hi Fatty Boom Boom. Hi Fatty Boom Boom. She's wearing this warm outfit which was Tyler's own, so I was so excited to put her in it. Her pink one is a little bit close for her, though she can still wear it, but I thought it was colder outside. But it's okay, the warmer she is, the better she'll be. So look at her kicking away. Say morning. Say morning. Say morning. Anyway, you guys, I am here going to shopping for my man, and then we head back home. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll catch you guys in these streets, okay? In these streets. So Tyler have his mascots from school for the holiday, and he wants to take pictures everywhere he goes and carry them. So here we go. Guys, we're in town at where the Christmas market is. You guys, shopping was a task, but we got it done. This here is blowing in the wind. Shopping was a task, but it's done. I got everything that I wanted, everything that I came for, so I'm pretty excited. Ready? Alright, let's go.
Make sure I have my bag.
I literally don't need a jacket. That's how good it feels. It just feels windy and nice. You don't need a jacket, literally.
Stop, no.
Yeah. You guys, we finished shopping. Shopping was amazing. I got everything that I came for, everything that I had in mind to get for Babe I got, so that's good. And then I went to McDonald's to get lunch, and oh my god, in here is cool. I wait 40 minutes to get our lunch. Dying, literally. We get fish sandwiches, and we're just sitting down and eating right now. So we're gonna eat and then decide what we're gonna do next. Yummy? Yeah.
And then you are going back to Baba?
Maybe.
Yes.
We just got back from town and I am exhausted. I spent about 5 hours shopping. Me and the kids, we are tired. Tyler gone straight to get a nap right now. Sarah was napping on the way, so of course as we got home she wake up. Oh my god, I'm tired. But first, before I go and relax, I am going to wrap babe Christmas gifts. They come in some nice bags, but I'm gonna rewrap them so that way I can put them under the tree before he gets home, because he's a little nosy one. If I don't do that, he's gonna know what I got him. I don't want him to know. When he sees the bag, he'll know what it is, because everything I got him are things that he wished for. So he'd know right away exactly what I got him. So, not to ruin that, your girl is wrapping right now. I don't even tell him that I reached home yet. That must be him messaging me. I need to stop and tell him that I'm home before he starts getting worried. Girl, what you doing? You screaming. She's here making noise. I'm tired right now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna get some rest. So I'll see you guys later. Alligator. Look at these two though. What brother doing to you? No, what brother doing to you? What brother doing to you? Your brother crazy. What brother doing to you? Ty, be careful to your sister and go over there. What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? You guys are absolutely the cutest. All right. Come. Stay right there.
Okay. Can you stay down?
Stay here.
Can you stay down?
I'm going to hold Sarah on the table And you take our picture with the camera, but I'm going to hide myself. So make sure you are not seeing me here. Make sure you're not seeing my foot here. So go like where Tyler is. And make sure you catch the stocking and the Christmas tree and don't catch the TV. Tyler?
Yeah?
Your job is to make your sister smile, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Honey, wait. Tyler, make her smile.
Look at